just thought I'd show you my homemade remote starter switch in action. So as you can see, they don't have to be positive or negative wiring, it's just the way the alligator clips come, red and black. So that one there is on the large positive, where the battery positive cable goes to, and this one here goes onto the positive of the solenoid. Okay, so just going to go turn it on, have it on the run position. It shouldn't start because I haven't primed it or anything, but I'll just so here's the button. Very simple, just hold it in your finger. Might be better, hold it in your fingers between like that. Away she goes. Again, too easy. So a remote starter can get you out of emergency or help you work on your engine by yourself. You need someone to turn over the motor or diagnose electrical faults. $8. Bye.